In front of Endu Garitu's house.
4.35.
Yes, ma'am. From where are you? What is?
My name is Fareen Sheikh. I'm a planning assistant working in TCP Margao. I, along with my colleague, Mr. Rohan Gaunkar, he's the overseer in TCP. We have come here for a joint site inspection at Ratwado. We came here today at on 23rd April at 11:45 a.m. and we along with Sarpanch Secretary and Mr. Elvik and the residents of Ratwado conducted a joint site inspection, and we measured the existing roads available at the site, and we've prepared a sketch which we have shown the residents as well. We will be preparing the report after going to the office. We'll have a discussion, prepare the report and submit accordingly.
So basically, आज inspection आशिल्ले. आमी देव बरे करूं म्हणूंक सोदता बाय फरिनाक ताज्या बाब रोहनाक who has come from the TCP. आयज तेणे सांगला तशें सेक्रेटरी पंचायतीचो आनी नाविलीचो सरपंच आशिल्लो लोकां बरोबर. We made it a point that inspection started at 11:45. Each and every एकल्याच्या घरा मुखाल्ल्यांनी आमी रस्त्याचे मेजरमेंट करून काडला आनी थंय न्ही इफ यू सी यू विल कम टू नो लायक कोणाच्या दारा कडेन 390, कोणाच्या दारा कडेन 440, कोणाच्या दारा कडेन 5 कोणाकडे एव्हरीथिंग बिलो 5 meters. सो ते दाखयला. दुसरे म्हणटा ते लो लाईन कॅचमेंट एरिया आसा थंय वचून मेजरमेंट केला. तिसरो म्हणटा तो रोहन बाबान फोटो काढला आनी थंय रिपोर्ट जातलो की ते एक बांद आसा आमगेलो सगळे फ्रॉम रोजरी स्कुला साकून ग्राउंडा साकून उदक वयतो लोट तेजेय मेजरमेंट केला. सो शी हॅज गिवन अस एश्युरन्स बिकॉज टुमॉरो सॅटर्डे एंड संडे मागीर येता मंडे म्हणटा ते बाय सेकंड हाफ or maximum to maximum Tuesday the report will be ready. So everything red and white सगळे आसा. आमी फोटोय काढला आणि आमी सगळे whatever she has noted we are आमी इतलेच मागता we are expecting that the report what you have done and we have on record that the same report will go to your higher ups. Thank you.
Okay, so this was supposed to be a joint inspection by the Panchayat as well as the TCP department. But just a point here, they were present. Mr. Paul Pereira, the Sarpanch, was present here along with our secretary Sandeep Halyali. They were present, but they didn't have their measuring tape with them. They were just bystanders for this inspection. To be very honest, they were bystanders for this inspection. There is nothing, no written evidence that has been taken from their side during this inspection, and a proof to that is our Panch here, Viana. So she would head further to tell whether there was an inspection or whether there was a tape available from their end. But we believe like the TCP will give us a fair report, and we are expecting a positive income, like a positive outcome of this. So we're just hoping for the best. And we'll wait for the report, which I'll be collecting mostly on Monday. Thank you.
Inspection. Now the bunch of the ward Ratwado Vienna by उलयतले.
आयज आमगे TCP बराबर आमगे वाड्या सगळे इन्स्पेक्शन जाला आनी तेम सगळे इच एंड एवरीथिंग सगळे घराकडचे मेजरमेंट घेयला हूंय हे आहा ते सगळे हें केला आनी ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचे सगळे अगेन्स्ट आहाय आनी हे आहा. सो आतां TCPन कितें बरयला तो रिपोर्ट ती हायर ऑथॉरिटीज दितली आनी तेंचे बरोबर आमगे सगळे लोकां बराबर हांव आहा आनी तेंगे तरी रॉंग आहा जाल्यार सगळे लोक प्रोजेक्टाचे अगेन्स्ट वयता.
हे व्हेरी गुड ऑन क्लॅप मारे.
Great fun. So big round of applause. Adding to Vienna by दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणल्यार म्हाका एकू क्वेश्चन विचारूं जाय पंचायता कडेन. पंचायतान ही फायल पोत्तून दिलोली बिल्डराक जाल्यार ती रिजेक्ट म्हणून पोत्तून दिलोली. ती पोत्तून लायसन्स कॅश दिले एक पाट रिजेक्ट केले म्हणटरी पंचायतान पंचायत बॉडीन हें करूंक जाय आसलें की ही फायल रिजेक्ट जाल्या. ते एप्लिकेशन घेवपाचें न्हू कित्याक पोतून गेले. सो एनीवे जालें तें जालें. आतां आमगे TCPन इन्स्पेक्शन केलां आनी हांव सजमतां हे इन्स्पेक्शना वरवीं हो प्रोजेक्ट बंद जातलो बिकॉज इट इज नॉट सबस्टेन्शियल वॉट दे आर सेयिंग. आनी हांव TCP मॅडम फरिनाको मागतां हे रस्ते प्लॅनाचे दाखयले ते घेयनाका. ग्राउंड रियालिटी कितें आहा ती चोय आनी ग्राउंड रियालिटीन तुमी हें कन्सिडर कोतली आनी हो प्रोजेक्ट रिजेक्ट कोतली म्हणून थँक्यू
देव बरें करूं.